first project. There we go, boys. Oh, this is gonna be a long day. We're Leon and Monique, also known as Vantastic Traveling. We've been living the van life for the past 2 years, and this is our new home on wheels, Bruce. After a few months on the road, we now know what upgrades need to be done. So in this Sprint Van build series, we're preparing for our next big adventure. Good morning, people! How are you doing? Happy Sunday! It is my day off today, so today I'm gonna help Leon with the build! Yay!
Oops.
What was in there?
Mugs.
Mugs.
Let's get cracking!
Again!
Again! Today,
you need to come up with some new words!
Today we're going to get started on the bed. We now have got this grey, I don't know, it's like velvet something, which we really don't like. So we are going to take out the bed bottom completely and see if we can do something about it.
It is this huge, grey, boring fabric, and we want to light up the place like Leon said, so we're gonna use our lovely white wallpaper. And we kind of decided that we needed to do this wall, redo this wall, because, well, someone fudged up the wallpaper. If you're interested, we have a video. So we're gonna have to redo this wall anyway, so we thought, let's do this wall on the back of the bed.
So the first thing we have to do is take out like 500 of these tiny little screws.
So you came here 'cause you wanna be a star. Rolling into town in your daddy's old car. Cruising down the street like a rolling stone.
Babe,
Yes.
I did make coffee.
Yes.
It's in the kitchen.
Alright, so first job that I'm getting is getting coffee. Okay, cool. That's not sexist at all.
That's what?
Sexist? Like, I'm the woman, I'll get you a coffee.
Yeah, go back to the kitchen.
Yeah. Coffee's here.
Best woman ever. Best woman ever.
Woo! You can't expect me to do anything without coffee. Can't you expect to do anything without coffee? There you go, babe.
Thumbnail?
Thumbnail!
We travel around in the van for the past few months in the Netherlands, so we know what we want now, and we know the things that we don't like.
Yeah.
So, having done that, just be on the road, live in the van, just experience what you like and what you don't like.
Yeah, I can recommend that to a lot of people.
Yeah.
You know, you think you know what the best setup is until you experience it yourself. I see that happening a lot. You know, people take it out on the road and then a year later they're gonna redo the whole thing.
Yep. Well, same
so
here.
that's kind of what happened here too.
Van life pro tip.
Hi, there's a neighbor dog.
Hello.
He's really good friends with Mila.
This is Mila's boyfriend.
Yeah, you are Mila's boyfriend, aren't you? They're so cute together.
How you doing, boy?
Maybe
Come
she
on.
wants to play later.
Go on then.
Walk me in the morning sun. Tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of a notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me. Ooh.
Of course, I thought unscrew the thing and just
Lift it up.
lift it out.
Easy peasy.
It's not that easy.
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of time to celebrate. Fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day.
Never say never. Okay, so we thought we'd just easily pop it out. Didn't occur to us that there were 4 massive bolts that prevent it from popping out. So we now should be able to pop it out. Oh, God. Oh, I'm hit.
What do you do?
Oh, jeez. Oh. Okay, can you see the leg in my knee?
Your pants is ripped.
Just a little. Ah. Metal hurts. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, but it's coming off, and I'm doing it to the right. Okay, so that doesn't make any sense, does it? Righty loosey, lefty tighty. God. Woo! Cool!
Victory!
Now we can make it pretty. I honestly thought that it would go a lot easier though. But hard part is over for now. Now we can just tear off this boring fabric. Okay, well it's easy enough.
This is great.
There we go.
I expected this to go.
A lot harder.
Yeah, I didn't expect this to be this easy.
Oh. Okay, let's do that again. I'm not doing that anymore. Come on. Help me.
I hate sanding. It gives you this weird feeling in your fingers.
It'll be fine.
You do it.
Yeah, you do it too.
Who else hates sanding with your bare hands and only this piece of sandpaper? I hate that.
You know, you really don't have to be over that with the camera. You can help me.
I was working the camera, babe.
You weren't.
I met you on a sunny day. Right there you took my breath away. Young and pretty, was it just a dream?
It's gonna be a long day.
The next day you called me up. You told me I'm your little buttercup. You came over and you fell into my arms. Well, I know what I feel. Please tell me your love is real.
I would advise to get some sort of machinery to do this job. Just ask the neighbor, but you got two sanding machines, but they're both broken. So
Well, you got me, don't you, babe?
I got Mick. We are winning, babe.
A lot of physical labor, but we're winning. Alright, after a lot of sanding, we're ready for the wallpaper. So kind of redid our living room and we made it into our workshop for today. It was a little bit windy outside and we thought with the wallpaper, gluing and stuff, it wouldn't be the best option to do it outside. So we're gonna do it inside.
Look at the view, by the way.
I know. We are pretty lucky with our living situation right now. So same wallpaper that we have on the wall that we already did, because we really like the look of it. Do you want the big brush or the little brush?
Big one for the big boy.
Big one for the big boy. So today's the day that we posted that story about Walking Dead and that really annoying song, You're an Easy Street.
Okay, where are we going to start? This one?
Yeah, that's fine. At the corner. Okay, can I have some glue too? Maybe.
You make me smile when I think of you. If I am down or when I am blue, I can't get enough. You make me happy, I feel so fine. Oh, how I wish that you were mine. I can't get enough.
I know we had some comments about people were curious how long it would stay up, but haven't had any trouble with it so far, so we're pretty convinced that this glue will...
This will probably do the trick.
It will probably do the trick.
Oh my god. Oh.
You really think I'm that stupid?
Yes.
Wow, thanks, babe. So are you just betting that this is cut straight?
Yeah. This is actually pretty easy.
Compared to the sprinter walls.
Yeah.
Now it's always a little bit bubbly, but after the glue dries, usually it cleans up really nice. Right?
Like you did.
Thanks, dear.
This will be so much better than the old grey stuff that was on the bed.
Okay, ready for the second coat.
That's
second
cracking again.
I woke up all soaked in sweat, weird chills running down my neck. I'm going crazy from just the thought of you. A long blonde hair and your beautiful smile. Your sense of humor makes it all worthwhile. Don't make me wait. It's not a...
Okay, well look at this, guys.
Nice one.
This will be such a huge difference in our van.
Yay.
I can't wait. I want this to be dry and
Put it up,
mount
right?
it back to the bed. Really curious. And I think the world map will be on this side as well.
Pushmate, look at that. Ah, looks like a real deal to me. All right, now what? So this is my side.
Yeah. So that one has to go in first. That side has to go in first.
That one, that side needs to be in this corner.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes,
Obviously
this
not.
is my feet.
There's only one way we can do this.
Okay.
This
Yeah?
has to be in that corner. This is your head.
No.
Yeah.
That no.
You lay on this side.
Yes.
There's only one way we can do this.
Okay. Just.
Oh, I get.
This is my head.
Okay, I got what you mean.
I was right.
My
I
mistake.
was right.
That's a first.
There's more than one way that we can do this. We can do it Leon's way or the right way, which is my way.
It is a first that she's right.
So that corner needs to be here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told her.
Hey.
I went by your house, what a big mistake.
Okay.
But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head. Someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own.
Time for the big reveal. How pretty! Oh my god, I love it so much.
What a huge difference.
I
it
know. The color alone. I absolutely love it. I love it. And
Wow.
then hopefully a window and real wood over at this side. If you've seen our last video, Leon explained that there's going to be a cabinet over there. And then I had the amazing idea to build a scratching pole for Mio on top of that in that corner over there with a little sitting area for him, especially for him. And the bunk window, he convinced me about with the bunk window. So we're gonna tear down that wall, which is gonna be a lot of fun, but that's the next project. We still have to screw this in, and then we're gonna call it a day. So subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next Sunday.